Hello and welcome. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can create some custom functions in Power Query. So you can see I have a blank Power BI report. So to go to Power Query, I'll just click this Transform Data button. And as you can see here, we have two queries already created. One is called Employee and one is called Day of the Week. So I want to explain to you how to first create a custom function. So the first thing you want to do is go to where it says New Source. You click on the drop down and choose Blank Query. And then let's press the Advanced Editor button. So I'm going to create something simple here so we'll understand what's going on. So let me clear this out. So in this function, all I'm doing is I'm just multiplying the value by 10. Let me zoom in so you can see. Just multiplying the value that the user puts in by 10. So I'm going to press done. So you see how it prompts me for the value. So if I put in 3, I should get 30. I press invoke, and I do. So what I want to do is I want to take this function that I just created and apply it to my employee query. So to do that, I'm going to go to the Add Column tab and press the Invoke Custom Function. It's going to bring up this dialog box. It's going to say it's asking me for the new column name. So I'm just going to call this bonus. And the name of the function query, we called it query 1. And so what I want to do is I want to apply the custom function to the years with company column. So what it will do is it's going to multiply that 10 in our custom function to all the records in our query. Press OK. See, now we have a column called bonus that multiplies all the values in our years with company to get our result. So in the next example, I'm going to show you. I'm going to go back to New Source, Blank Query, Advanced Editor. I'm going to have a couple of conditions. Let me zoom in, show you. So what I'm going to do with this function is apply it to that same employee query. So it's going to look at that same column. Let me press done. All right, so we can go to employee query. Let's go to add column, invoke custom function. Let's call this category. I'm going to select query 2. I'm going to use that same column, years with company. I'm going to hit OK. So notice what it did here. So if the value of years of company is less than 3, it shows it here in this category. So all it is doing is just grouping these values that are in this column into this category. All right. And the last example I'm going to show you, let's go back to the Home tab. New source, blank query, advanced editor. Let's clear out this. So I'm going to have a custom function that has daily activities for each day of the week. So it says if X is Monday, work out at the gym. If it's Tuesday, read weekly chapter. Wednesday, complete assignments. Thursday, walk the dog in the park. Friday, family game night. And if it's anything else, it's the weekend, have fun. All right. So I'm going to press done. And I'm going to apply this custom function to my day of the week query. So I'm going to go to add column, invoke custom function. I'm going to call this activity. And I'm going to use query 3. And yes, I'm going to apply it to day of the week. That's our only column. Hit OK. And there we have our activities for each day of the week. If you enjoyed the content of this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.